So guys, try to center it. Try how to Goliath, Samson, John, etc., etc. Then you want to see the grand total for each here. Just see is equals to. You put the same thing again. Sum SUM and open the bracket, close, open. Then the started string. Now this is the shell of F, right? The column F. So from column and the other row where it meets here is what? This shell F3. So we said shell F3 to shell F7. Mind you, this is 7, right? And this is the next column we are seeing, the last one. So it says shell F7. So F7 here, you will see it will alight from the first shell you alight to the last one. Then you close the bracket, Also, as you can see, also this is the formula that they are using here to do the, you are doing the calculation on. So as you can see now, you click on enter button on the keyboard, and you will see the total amount of under the grand total for this particular grade. If now let me say this is money, this is money, so you want to do the grand total for money. Mind you, this is how many shell? More than 150 shell. The same thing you are going to do, just say from shell 1 to the shell where you want to stop, right? So this is the steps how to do the grand total. Now let me say grand total will be here. You type, you go also to the same thing and you want to do, you go and match the cell, and you match the cell and say grand total, GRANDTOTAL, grand total, right? So this is grand total for the grades. Now, so moreover, now these steps here we have to know how to find the grade for a particular subject. Now the person, as for example Joseph, Joseph have 4674 in science, biology 87 PhD. The total for all the subjects is 303. Now how can you find the grades, the grade now to have the score mark under the thing that will tell me that I have passed my own exam, or that the thing that will tell David or Goliath or Samson or John that he or she has he has passed this examination. Now what are we going to do now? First formula you have to see, it is very much simple, right? It's much more simple. Just know the signs, the division signs. Okay, so let me see, is equal to, right? So whenever you put the equal to sign, then mind you, this is the total. So you have to say the grand total divided by the amount of subjects that Joseph or David or Goliath have, right? So we are going to say, let me see. Moreover, so guys, this is another interpretation form you want to do. Whether the person pass, so how will you know that it, just like example in Sierra Leone or West Africa exam, which is the worst, people use, most of them use F9, E8, B3, C5. How to do this one? The only thing you have to do is this same formula you used to do the interpretation. The only thing you have to change is the pass you put here and the fail you put here. So guys, you have to do it. So whenever you put it, so this is the formula you have to use now. F9, then you put comma, then you put E8, meaning that anybody who have below, who is less than 52 should have F9, and who is above 52 should have E8, which is the pass, right? So you click on the enter, then you will see that this person have E8, which is pass. Then you double tap to it, only one person have F9, and which is this person, which is Goliath have F. Guys, thanks for watching to the video. I hope you guys get the joke and understand much. So don't forget again to like and share to my video, comment, so it may happy very much. So for more information, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number that you can see on the screen, and you can know more and learn more online teaching, and ask more questions if you don't understand. Guys, welcome again to my institution of teaching techniques on computer science. You're highly welcome, guys.